We have initiated a new project within Open Industry 4.0. It's called the Digital Calibration Certificate. One of the major motivations behind is that organizations are still exchanging a lot of data manually. They are, whether they are paper format or PDFs, and we spend a lot of time to correct the human errors and making sure that there's no data integrity issues. And obviously there's a production efficiency behind, and also then production and process improvements. So our aim with this project is to digitalize this information exchange between the organization. And we are now focusing on the calibration data, which is a critical element of the plant maintenance. You do it frequently, and you may have then hundreds of different vendors providing helping hands and then documentation. And that's where the challenges are. This documentation, like I explained earlier, is still pretty much manually handled. And we want to digitalize that so that the organizations are able to exchange the information machine to machine. And Open Industry has been one of those platforms that helped us to find the partners to work this together with. We have NDC Hauser, to name one. Another one that we consider as an end user is Boehringer Ingelheim. And I have also Michael Riester here today. He can explain also then their point of view of this project. We expect this project to run now the autumn 2025, and our aim is to then demonstrate this the capabilities in SPS Fair in November. So I really hope to see you all to come and meet us, and we can demonstrate how this new technology will help us to get rid of the data integrity issues, automate the data exchange between the organization, and I really look forward to see you.
So for us, as a founding member of the Open Industry 4.0 Alliance, calibration really is one big topic for our customers. So the DCC is a very good example of how to bring digitalization together with what the Asset Administration Shell is offering. And that's the reason why we partnered together with BMix and others to get the best out of the DCC together with the Asset Administration Shell for the customer Boehringer Ingelheim. So the Open Industry 4.0 Alliance is the ideal environment to go on with such use cases. So we are currently working on a demonstrator for the SPS Fair 2025 to show how the DCC via AAS can be implemented and what is really the value for the customer.